What time was that? Oh, hell, I want to go above his head. No, yes, above... Billy Ray Bowers.
No one by that name on our list.
Ah! Come on upstairs. Hurry up.
Oh, I can't do this,
Up there.
Rick.
What are you talking about? This is what Lee Iacocca does.
Oh, I'm very scared, Rick.
Since when did you start wearing underpants?
Rick, do I get to know what's going on, or do I just get killed for old time's sake?
Come on, follow me.
Rick, I gotta know what's going on.
Yeah, well, so do I. Look, I'm supposedly being protected by the federal government, but I think they're trying to do me in, you know?
Who are those men?
Ex-drug enforcement agents. When I sent to jail, the other knows I can send them and they want me dead, and they'll take whoever's with me, all right?
Why?
Why? Because I testified against them, that's why.
About what?
Well, it's a long story. It's... God!
Rick?
Shit. This is not a good time to be talking about this, Marianne.